Hi guys, so ayun, today we're going to do an unboxing. Kagagaling ko lang ng trabaho. Pero, kagagaling ko lang ng SM, and from work, I went to SM, and then I went home. So, ayun, I was just supposed to buy a pair of shoes, pero nung nagsukat din ako ng mga damit and a pair of jeans, ayun, nag-impulsive buying ako. Pero, yeah, I kind of feel bad, pero I still feel good about it kasi I'm really happy na I get to purchase this additional items that I wasn't supposed to buy, but I still bought it. Yeah. Ito na. So, ito unahin natin tong binili ko sa pet shop. So, the first item that we have here is this straight cut jeans. In the size 32. Ayan. So, okay na siya. Gusto ko yung mga jeans sa pet shop o yung mga bottoms nila kasi tumatagal sila sa akin. And it's unlike, Levi's na sobrang mahal, di ba? Pero, ito kasi, nagagamit ko na siya for the same purpose kahit naman Levi's. Same lang naman. Kasi yung mga Levi's ko, actually, mas nagagamit ko to kaysa sa mga ganun na brand. And this one, it's a boxy fit polo. And I'm into boxy tops these days. So, kasi nga, maikli yung yung bottom part ko. Kaya parang mas mahaba ako pag boxy yung fit ng suot ko. So, I'm glad na nauso na siya. So, ayun. I love this one. I really love it. And the last item from Pet Shop is this one. At first, I thought this is a boxy fit, pero nakita ko dito relaxed fit pala siya, which is okay din naman kasi I also felt I was elevated nung sinukat ko siya. Yung naman kasing kailangang maramdaman pag nagsusukat ka ng damit na bibili mo. If you feel you're elevated or 10 times na pumogi ka or gumanda ka, so, bilhin mo na agad yan kasi that's the right fit for you. Yeah. And I felt good when I fit this, so yeah. And the last item is this one from Skechers. Di pa sana ako bibili ng sapatos kasi yun nga, nag-move in ako and ang dami kong expenses at wala pa akong hindi pa dapat ako bibili ng shoes, pero kagabi yung pusa nagdumi siya dun sa may sapatos ko sa labas. Yun lang yung ginagamit kong sapatos every Friday. So, wala na akong susuotin sa Friday. At ayoko na din hugasan yun kasi ang baho. So, bumili na lang ako. Total, luman na din naman yung shoes na yun. So this is how it looks like. Okay. Kasya sa paa. Here. Ayun. Looks good naman siya. ASMR. And actually may isa pa akong nabili. This one. I went to the groceries and nagbili ako ng mga Century tuna, Ligo, sardines. Ano to? Mackerel, and this one, I just discovered this sardines kagabi, and this was my dinner and I so loved it. So I'm glad na nakadiscover ako ng isang dilata na I really like. So ayun, mas mapapadalas yung pagbili ko nito, pagkain ko nito without sacrificing yung, diba? It's mura lang siya and hindi ko kailangan mag-sacrifice sa lasa kasi gusto ko naman siya. This one, I love sardines actually, class guys. Ayun, this one. And this one. So I got ilang dilata? 6 dilata. And there's another one below. Ayun, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. This is my first unboxing or unpacking, I don't know, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.